Hello, students. So today's assignment will be the same. We'll continue working on the NASA payload assignment, but I need to have you add something to the old assignment. So open the old assignment, then also open the new one that says addition to NASA payload assignment. Once the addition to NASA payload assignment is open, I need you to copy and paste. So you're going to select all the highlighted material. Make sure you select it all the way down through this so it's all colored in. You're going to hit CTRL on the keyboard, Control and C, and that will copy it. So Control C copies. Then you're going to go to the payload assignment, the original one. Scroll down till you are under where it says criteria. This box here. I know there's going to be other stuff below it, but just ignore that. And we're going to go in between. So underneath where it says criteria and constraints, you're going to paste it in there. To paste, you hit Control V, and that will paste it in. After you have pasted it in, if you want to select it again and unhighlight it, you can. You don't have to, but you can get rid of the highlight. And below that, you should still have this image here and then this little doodle here. Okay, so copy and paste this information from addition to NASA payload assignment. Paste it into your document here underneath criteria and constraints, and then you'll be good to watch the lesson, and you should be all set.